Welcome back to Twister City Harley-Davidson. Today we're checking out this all-new 48 Special in Billiard White. Got the old school paint scheme there. Kind of reminds me of the old AMF days. Got the chrome bottom end on this thing, the all-new exhaust with the black and with the chrome heat shields. Big old fat rear tire on it. Has a pretty cool look from sitting in the seat looking up on those mini apes. Got the premium emulsion suspension on the bike with the adjustable wrench underneath the seat. Forward controls already on this bike. Has a real new presence look on the front of it. This thing is sweet. You're not going to want to miss this thing. It's not going to last very long. Come check it out here at Twister City Harley-Davidson.